In case you're new here, we're Drew and Isabel. Just 8 months ago, we started to share our world travels on YouTube, and the rest is history. We have made it to Glasgow, where Drew and I landed our first ever house sitting gig right in the heart of Glasgow's West End. Recently, we discovered an app called TrustedHouseSitters where you can apply to pet sit anywhere in the world. Now, because we're budget travelers, it can obviously be a lot more expensive for us to travel around Europe, but this is allowing us to explore Europe and experience it in a totally authentic and affordable way. So with that, our Scotland adventure begins now.
We're currently pet sitting in Glasgow, and today we're heading out on what's said to be the best day trip you can do. So let's go take the ScotRail and go to Loch Lomond.
We're running a little bit late to the train, but we should be able to make it on time. A little pep in our step is the right move this morning.
We have 2 tickets for that, round trip if possible. Okay. Thank you. So we're in Glasgow because we're pet sitting Shiv or Siobhan for 2 weeks. This is our first time pet sitting, but basically we're watching her while her owner's on a little vacation, which is incredible because now we get to spend some time exploring Glasgow.
It's a bit windy and starting to rain. We actually chose to come out today because it was supposed to be like 65, sunny. And we're going on a boat ride to start our morning. So we really hope that it doesn't continue to rain. We were really looking to get out of the city and explore beyond Glasgow for the day, and we were also really wanting to bring Shiv on an adventure with us. So luckily, just a 40-minute train ride from Glasgow is the town of Balloch, which is situated on the banks of Loch Lomond's southern point. The town is historically famous for being the gateway to Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park, but Balloch itself has this timeless charm to it that we were really excited to explore. We watched the scenery change from brick buildings to green hills and a large body of water that greeted us as we approached our stop. Welcome to Balloch. Now I'm probably saying that wrong because everything in Scottish is said in a very, very peculiar way. Oh shit! Earlier that morning, we had hopped online and got a couple tickets to board an hour-long cruise around Loch Lomond. We figured this would be the best way to get a grasp of the area a little better and also learn a little bit of history about the loch. After a short walk from the train station to Sweeney Cruise Terminal, we arrived with a few minutes to spare and a bit of uncertainty about the weather as the thick gray clouds continued to form above our heads. Nevertheless, though, we made our way to the dock.
Loch Lomond is one of the largest lakes in the UK. It is over 23 miles long, 5 miles wide, and over 600 feet deep, which is almost as deep as Loch Ness. So we're gonna start our day off by doing a little cruise on it.
A tour bus just pulled up full of people, so we're gonna get in line before they all come in. Scotland's also a very, very popular tourist destination.
It's the largest expanse of fresh water in Great Britain. The loch is 636 feet deep, making it the 3rd deepest in Scotland.
It's kind of just doing a quick circular route, and the shoreline is just lined with these beautiful old hunting lodges, mansions owned by essentially the billionaires of the 1800s.
Like the Winston Churchills.
Yeah, the King's hunting lodges.
I would love a castle in Scotland.
Yeah, Scottish wealth.
The sun has decided to come out today. We were a little worried there, but oh, there it is. When it's sunny in Scotland, it's a good day. She wasn't too happy on the ground, but we found a happy medium. She's basically just a big lap dog. Aren't you, Shiv? Everywhere you go, you're gonna see an old ruin of some sort. I don't know how they could possibly have so many buildings that were either just never finished or collapsed, but they are really beautiful, especially when the earth kind of takes over them again and it just looks like a fairy tale. We brought packed lunches, so we're gonna go try to find a picnic spot in this big green space here and eat our sandwiches and maybe give her a snack as well. We weren't totally sure about taking her off the leash, but this would do just fine. Hi guys! Are you running right towards me? Whew.
I'm faster.
Oh, can you find a stick? Ready, Shiv?
Go, Shiv!
Found our picnic table. It's perfect. Good girl. She's gonna enjoy that for a little bit. So we brought sandwiches because we're budget traveling still. Okay, wait, did it just start raining?
Yeah, a little bit.
Anyway, we brought sandwiches because we are saving as much money as we can. So we made chicken breast and sharp cheddar and then put some lettuce in there, some peppers.
And that UK mustard.
Oh yeah, there's this mustard.
It's called Hormons.
Pinned, it's right here on the screen. Best mustard we've ever had. I think we're gonna have to bring some back to Germany with us when we leave. There's also cucumbers and onions. I'll take it. It's fresh. It's about to start pouring on us, so we're gonna try to find a place to get covered. Scotland has decided to be Scotland today.
A tip for Scotland, if you ever come, always bring an umbrella because it's probably gonna rain. We stopped in a little pub called the Doghouse that seemed fitting for what we're doing. And we are drinking Guinness. Now, I know it's Irish, but anytime we're in the UK, it's my favorite drink to drink. Our friend George, he kind of made us fall in love with Guinness because I've never seen someone so passionate about a pour, a beer, as he is. So he taught us this. When you have your first drink of the Guinness, you want to split the G, so we'll give it a shot. Cheers. Didn't quite do it this time, so maybe we'll drink another one.
Cheers.
Oh no.
I'm so bad at drinking. I'm so bad at it. It's so good though. I missed Guinness.
Me too. Well, the Guinness are gone and we've left the pub and now we're going to do some castle exploring. We're heading to the Balloch Castle and the grounds. I don't think you can actually go into the castle, but the grounds have a beautiful view over the lake and you can still walk around the castle. So we're gonna go there. All of this area is in the Trossachs National Park, which is really cool because it was actually the first national park in Scotland back in 1999. It feels so nice walking through here. We've got a little bit of a breeze. It's not too hot. The air is a little crisp and fresh. And beautiful park all around us. Got a nice little path to walk on. We've taken a bit of a detour and we've gone into the walled garden, and it's just this pretty large expanse surrounded by a wall, and you've got these nice pathways through it. It smells good. One nice thing about Scotland is there's so many areas to walk around, so many parks, so many outdoor recreation areas, so there's really always something to do, and when you love the outdoors like we do, it's kind of perfect.
This is a ginormous park. Like, this entire space is just an open public park that you can just walk around, and it's so green. Even when it's rainy outside, there's people everywhere going on walks, and it is just beautiful here. We love Scotland. It's definitely one of our favorite countries. Well, country is a strong word, I guess. The UK is one of our favorite countries.
We've made it to Balloch Castle, and from the outside it is gorgeous. You've got the big turrets. It looks like you've got a church over on the other side. You know, it's just got a solid castle build, and it's kind of modest. I guess if a castle can be modest. It is closed off. It's got a fence around the outside, so you can unfortunately not go in, but that's okay. We will enjoy the outside and the amazing views that it has.
So on this side, we have the castle, and then over here, we have this ginormous park, followed by Loch Lomond out in the distance. And it is just so gorgeous. I can't believe how vast this place is. Earlier, while we were still perusing around town, we stopped by a pie shop that had a 4.8 Google rating. Obviously, we had to pick out a few different meat pies to do a proper taste test.
So it's a Scottish pie.
Scotch pie, yeah.
And sausage roll.
And a steak pasty.
And a steak pasty.
Yeah.
All right. The first one is, Siobhan, not for you. No, no, no.
Oh my god.
A Scottish pie, and it looks absolutely delicious. Once again, Shiv, not for you.
Did she say what was in it at all?
She did not, so it is a mystery what is inside, but I'm about to find out. All right, so pork filling. It's minced pork, it's warm. Let's get another bite. Fantastic. It's simple, but delicious. Siobhan is having her Scottish snack. I believe that is braided lambskin.
I am trying the sausage roll, one of my favorite things to eat here in the UK. See how it compares to Greg's. So good. It's just one of those comfort foods. The UK is full of comfort food. They love their pastries, they love their sausage. It's very salty and flaky. Reminds me of like if a croissant and a pork sausage had a baby, you know?
And for the last snack, oh, also, thank you for watching if you've made it this far in the video. We're gonna be traveling like this for the next few years, so make sure to subscribe because we got a lot of cool stuff coming. The last one is a steak pasty, I believe she called it. It is sticking with kind of the pastry theme we got going on, but this time we got steak filling instead of sausage. So I'm going into the middle. We'll see how this goes. It's almost like a beef stew.
Yum.
Very, very good. This one's my favorite. The castle's closed, but the bathroom of the castle is open, and Isabel just went in. So maybe it'll be really cool. I feel like it'll either be really cool or very not good. Was the bathroom cool at all?
No, it was just a regular toilet.
Oh.
Pretty basic actually, but it did smell good and it was very clean.
Oh, cool.
Okay, this place is gorgeous. I didn't know we were gonna have a whole view of the lake up here. Sorry, the loch. Do I need to repeat that?
Inside we've got like a pulled pork steak type meat with a little bit of onions.
Let's see how it compares to Greg's. Oh, mainly bread? I'm gonna need another bite.